you've been wearing dentures for a long time. You've dealt with the problems with them, you've had the struggles, you're tired of the glue. Can mini implants make that better? Absolutely. If you have the floating lower denture that many people do that come in to see me for this process, glue becomes a thing of the past, very minimal if anything. But you say, Doc, I don't want something that comes out. Mini implants can also accomplish that. We have multiple options, but this one is still a removable option like a denture. However, unlike a denture, it is shaped to replicate as best as possible your natural contacts of the junction of your teeth and gums. This is also not standard, but this is what gives you an idea. That is 12 implants, but most of the time we can get away with about 8 to 10. Not everybody who has lost all of their teeth will still have the bone to come back this far, but we do have that ability to replace all of your teeth in a manner that even while our denture mounted mini implants doesn't cover all of the roof of your mouth, we give you your full oral cavity back. There is an option for this that is also non-removable. We cement it into place to where once it's in, it's in. This version is very hard for you to remove. You'd have to come in and have me remove, but this allows us to come in and maintain and keep things hygienic and clean for you. And most of that boils down to patient preference. Of course, when we make your appliance like this is just, to show you, but if we have to match gum, we come in with an actual shade, match the color of your tissue, so that if you have a wide, broad smile, your teeth and your gums look like teeth and gums, and not something that is meant to just show you the concept.